everyone. Welcome back to the AI Tidbits podcast. Let's check out what was discussed in the Google's I/O Developer Conference last Tuesday in today's episode. They unveiled some seriously impressive advancements, as it looks out to be. Google showed off advances in its AI lineup, including search feature called AI Overviews and an initiative called Project Astra, and also some important updates to its Gemini chatbot. It also talked about the Gemini Live, a conversation driven feature, and Imagine 3, the latest version of its image generation model. While Gemini 1.0 Pro model, which powers the current free version of Gemini, has a limit of about 32,000 input tokens per interaction, whereas Gemini 1.5 Pro can manage about a million. With a million context token window, this can win over many other consumer AI models if it works out what it is said to be. At least it has the capability to do so. I guess by potential, it can win on Claude by a factor of 5 times and then surpasses the current free Gemini model by around 30 times. Context understanding refers to the amount of information a language model can process with continuity. Context understanding is measured in context windows usually. These are made up of tokens. In-turn tokens are composed of words, images, video, audio, or code. Gemini 1.5 can reason across different file types within its context window, allowing users to upload. They can upload actually videos or text or even code repositories for analysis. That means you can, for instance, ask Gemini to summarize all your recent emails from your workplace, and it can identify relevant messages and analyze attachments such as PDFs to provide a summary of key points. Much relief for the people with the overflowing email sitting on red in your inbox, right? Or you can ask Gemini to look at a contract document of a rental property and tell you if you can have pets. Gemini Advanced subscribers will have access to 1.5 Pro as of today. Uh, it can also process over 700k words of text or one full hour video, for example. Although it might still fall short of the heaviest video applications, you can still see how fast the things are going to progress, especially because it has 10 million token limit already on the horizon. Google has been working on MOE architecture for a while now. It's called Mixture of Experts. But 1.5 is said to be the first model to make use of that technology. So it means that Gemini routes requests to smaller, specialized neural networks to improve speed and response quality. This is what MOE corresponds to. They also talked about new Google AI Studio, which includes a suite of AI developer tools. It has focused definitely on driving integration of Gemini into third party dev applications. I think Google heard developers' cries, so they have added Gemini 1.5 Flash, a model that's faster and more cost effective than 1.5 Pro. So, Flash features the multimodal reasoning capabilities and long context of Pro, but it is designed for speed and efficiency. It's optimized for tasks where low latency and cost matters the most out of all other factors. So, Gemini 1.5 Flash is available in public preview, in AI Studio, and also Vertex AI as of today. You would have heard Mr. Hazabas saying we have always wanted to build a universal agent that will be useful in everyday life. That's why we made Gemini multimodal from the very beginning. These were his words during the conference. This agent would be able to see and hear what we do and understand the context we are in to respond to us in conversation format. It's what Google calls Project Astra. This is possible in part because Gemini's long context window, which allows the agent to remember a lot, while multimodality allows it not only to answer questions but also interact with the files on your computer or access your calendar or whatnot. Google also introduced Imagen 3, the latest version of its image generation model. Sign up for the access It will be coming soon to the developers and enterprise customers in Vertex AI. Also, they announced a generative video model called Veo, which creates videos from text, image, and video prompts. It can capture the details of your instructions in different formats like visual or cinematic styles, and you can also prompt for things like, for example, let's say aerial shots of a landscape or a time lapse video. And further, also, you can edit your generated videos using additional prompts. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.